lovelies, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm super glad to have you back in today's video. So today I will be showing you how to make spaghetti sauce. This homemade spaghetti sauce recipe has been my family staple for a couple of years now. It is super simple and the flavors are just so amazing. The steps for making these are easy to follow, and I hope you watch the video to the end to see how I made this. So first of all, we're gonna start by adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pan or skillet. Once it's heated, add 1 cup of chopped onions and 1 medium-sized diced red and green bell peppers. Saute these for 3 minutes until fragrant. Now the veggies are soft and fragrant. Go in with 600 grams of ground beef and try breaking up the larger chunks as you go. Once you've done that, stir it to mix with the veggies and then cook until it is no longer pink. Add 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for a minute. When everything is nice and fragrant, add in 450 grams of tomato sauce, 140 grams of tomato paste. Stir to combine nicely. Go ahead and season the sauce with half teaspoon each of salt and black pepper, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, half teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon each of dried oregano, parsley, and basil. Stir to combine and finally add 1 teaspoon of sugar. The sugar does help to eliminate the sourness of the tomato. Stir everything to combine and cook for a couple of minutes. Add in 1½ cup of beef broth and stir to mix well. You can then reduce heat to low and bring the sauce to a gentle simmer for about 25 minutes. While the sauce is simmering, cook your pasta. Simply add enough water to a large pot and bring to a boil. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon of salt to the water. Bring in the pasta and cook according to package instructions or until soft. And once the pasta is ready, drain with a strainer. Put it back into the pot, cover and keep aside until you need it. Get back to the sauce, stir, test for salt and other seasonings, then adjust as needed. If you like a little bit of heat, add half teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Then go in with 1 tablespoon of sliced basil. Stir that to incorporate nicely. You can drizzle about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to give it that glossy appearance. Now cook again for another 2 minutes. And once you're happy with the taste of your spaghetti sauce, turn off heat. Garnish with more freshly chopped basil leaves and serve immediately. So in my own case, I'm gonna be serving this delicious spaghetti sauce over the boiled spaghetti we just made. Guys, this looks and tastes really yummy. You can just see that. It's so good, and I hope you try this out. Thanks so much, friends, for watching. I hope you give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Please also remember to subscribe to Onyx Food Hill and hit the bell icon to be reminded when we upload new videos. See you next time, guys. Bye for now.